Hey everybody, today I am using this as my white base coat. They were at Ace Hardware, buy one get one free, and I need to repaint the trim in my bathroom. So you can see. And so we're going to see how it works on a pour painting. And these are actually two of the doors from the bathroom that I took down and primed. And I'm thinking about pouring on them. I've already painted the door in there, so why not the cabinetry? So this is, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So this was the one that was inspired by that one. Much brighter. You can see there, in the way brighter. But check this out. Colors are just phenomenal. So there they are together. Quite different, actually. Very different. And I think I'm going to, for this pour, do airbrush one color at a time. So we're going to use a little bit of neon pink left. Yellow. This is a bunch of blues I mixed up. It's got phthalo blue, it's got Prussian blue, and then it has a metallic mystery blue. So I'm going to use that. And this is a slightly different yellow. I mixed a lighter and a darker yellow. And I need... I'll toss in a bit of this purple, this violet, which is a self-mixed violet. Because last night it was late, and I really wanted to paint, but I didn't want to go through the mess of painting, so I mixed paints instead. Alright, I have not tested the consistency of this. I don't like the smell of it very much. Ooh, I got it very thin. But it is nice and smooth. But it is very thin. Very thin. It'll work for what I'm doing today, though. But normally I would not have it this thin. Let's see if I can put a little bit extra right here. Ooh, it stinks. It smells like I don't find the Dutch Boy paint smells. This paint smells like normal wet paint, like dirty feet, I think. I always think wet paint smells like dirty feet. Not acrylic paint, house paint. Don't know why. Oh yeah, there's plenty of paint on here. Isn't that pretty just as it is? lot of pink just to get rid of it. Those are some really cool patterns, so I am tilting. You can see how thin that paint was because none of this is holding. See how it's just so easily rushing the other side. Let's see if I can get any of it to. I think it's just going to be too thin. Beautiful. It's just too thin. Look at that. I should not do that. So I'm going to do over. My drip pans sure pretty now. Got the paint in here. I'm just going to add. Thicker. So now you know what happens when your paint's too thin. It just slides everywhere. And this is mixed with Floetrol water. I think I already said that, but I might not have. can see how this time the pink is sitting on the white. Definitely not moving the same way, is it? Ooh, way too much yellow. I think I needed more of a happy medium. Oh, I like where it's spit, kinda. I think I'm going, no, I'm not gonna do that. Decisions. I'm gonna use a lighter blue. I'm gonna use this metallic. I wish I knew exactly what I was doing to get that spitting. I like it. I think I'm going under. Yeah. I think I kind of went under, which then ruined the rest of it, but got me figuring out how I got that spit of paint, which I actually really like. Kind of reminds me of my flingies. So this time the white was a little bit too thick. Sometimes I tell you it's like I am living in what is it? The Three Bears. This porridge is too cold, this porridge is too hot. This porridge is just right. Going to need the hair dryer. No. Maybe just like a so this is kind of not a true test of this paint because I have not gotten it to the consistency that I would really like it on. But this is pretty. lines. I love the lines. So definitely not the airbrush that I was trying for, but this is really cool. I'm trying to get it to cover this area. And now I'm going to do a real hard tilt with the swirl. I know you can't see what I'm doing. You will in a second. I just needed to cover that area up. So I will let this dry, mainly to find out how this white paint dries, if I like it or not, because I have 2 gallons of it. And that first, yeah, I just need to find the consistency that fits it best. And I will show you a close-up of this. I do love lines. So thank you so much for watching. It is sad that the initial gorgeous airbrush was way too watery. But thank you again for watching, and catch you next time. Bye. Hey everybody, I wanted to update you on the dry painting, and this paint turned out perfect. This was the Valspar, the white for the base. So the rest of the colors are ARTEZA, and then I mixed it with Floetrol and water. It dried, it was eggshell. It dried nice and smooth. So I'm glad I like it because I've got 2 gallons of it. So now you know, because normally I use the Dutch Boy paint, that this works as well. And there's the dry piece. Bye.